Now this is going to be very reassuring if you're having trouble pushing your cleaning fluid from your 20 milliliter syringe into your print head nozzle. This printer I'm working on right now is probably the most difficult printer I have had to work on in a long time, and all I had to do was warm up the cleaning fluid. So if you're having a lot of trouble, and this is going to answer a lot of people's question, a lot of people end up having this problem where the solution is too difficult to push through. And if you have an extreme version of this problem, you're gonna need to use warmed up cleaning fluid. And I was able to warm it up in a glass measuring cup. And as soon as I applied warmed up solution, that is when the problem really began to be eradicated, and you started to see that little small and gentle pushing. Sometimes it's staying like this in one position, and once it starts going, it goes a little faster like this. But really, when it's very difficult, the solution starts to go in really slowly like this, but then it'll speed up a little bit. Do not apply too much pressure on this syringe. So don't give up. If you are having trouble pushing cleaning fluid from the Best Printers cleaning kit into your print head nozzle, do not give up. Don't stop the process. You're just gonna need to be a little bit patient. You're gonna need to wait a little bit. Be really patient when you're pushing the solution through, and use warmed up fluid. I'm gonna link a video somewhere here so that you can see the instructions for yourself of how you can warm up the cleaning fluid.